Simple solutions to life.
Make it love, simple solution. Make it love, make it love, make it love, simple solution. Make it love,
Simple solution.
Hey, welcome to our channel. Yes, if you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Medilock. Yes, and I'm reaching out to you from the northern part of Nigeria. So, in case you are new here, this is your first time of seeing my channel, viewing my videos, or you have been watching all this while you've not subscribed yet. What are you waiting for now? Please subscribe to our channel. Just press the subscribe button and join this great family so that we can be learning some spiritual secrets together. Okay, so today we want to talk about how to make your loved one stay glued to you, how to make him love you more and more. Yes, so you will be needing some few items, and this one is very, very guaranteed, very, very strong. But if you know you don't love him that much, and you know you don't want to be attached to him, don't do this. Okay, because this is very, very, is guaranteed 100%. Yes, so if you know you don't love him that much, don't do it. Okay, but if you know you love him and you want to keep him for life, try this. Okay, so in this recipe of today, we'll be needing lime. Okay, you'll be needing lime. This is lime, but if you don't have lime and you have lemon, you can use lemon. Okay, so now you also be needing milk. Yes, I've already stirred the milk in this one. This is just one teaspoon of milk, powdered milk. Yes, you can use liquid milk, you can use fresh milk. It depends on the type of milk that you have. Okay, don't limit yourself. Even if it's sachet milk, the one they're selling on the street, you can get anyone you can use. And then you also be needing pure honey, natural pure honey. Yes, so see, there's one strange thing about lime that people don't know, and that is what we want to expose in this place, so that you will know that you can do a lot of things with lime. Yes, lime has a lot of spiritual vibration, spiritual efficacy. Yes, in the citrus family. Okay, so when you have these items together, you also be needing water. Okay, so when you put these items together, the first thing you will do is to put water in your milk. Like this one now, it's not enough. You can just add water a little. You can just add water. So now you have this. Okay, so the next thing that you are going to do is you are going to extract the juice from this lime. You understand? Try and get the one that is fresh. Yes, this one is dried already, but I want to use it for this particular recipe. So you will just add your lime. You add some drops of your lime inside. You can see it's dropping, right? Yes, extract. Even if the seed falls inside, it doesn't matter. You can remove it later. Okay, so now that is that one. Then the second one, that is, you slice just one lime. You just slice it, and then I'm trying to remove the seed. Then the next thing I will do is to also press this one just to extract the juice from it, and then add it to the water, add it to the milk. Okay, you just add it. When you press it in, yes, just this little is enough. Okay, now this is this. Now our lime and milk is ready. So you are going to put your honey. This is fresh honey, raw honey. This is meant for spirituality, and it is very, very effective. Yes. So it depends on your intention. When you are praying for anything, your intention is what makes it to work. Yes. If you don't have your intention is not serious, your recipe, your whatever you're praying will not be serious. It will not work. So let your intention be serious, but let it be pure also. So now, this is the honey. You just add a few drops of honey inside. Yes. You can see. You can see. This is the honey. You try to stir it. But there is one thing. When you are stirring something for spiritual use, don't stir it like this, like this, like this, like this. No. Maintain one direction. If you are going anti-clockwise, be going anti-clockwise. And if you are going clockwise, be going clockwise. This is clockwise, this is anti-clockwise. So if you are going clockwise, maintain that hand. But if you are going anti-clockwise, just maintain that same direction when you are stirring something. Because if you are like this, it will confuse what you are doing. Yes, and it will not give you the kind of result that you need. Yes, it will be termed as praying amiss. Yes. So now, this one, as we are maintaining it like this, we maintain it like this. Now look at it. The milk, the honey, and the lime, they are mixed together. Okay, so now the next thing that you're supposed to do, is to carry this solution. Okay, carry this solution, and then you add it to your bathing water. Add it to your bathing water. See, you can do this either in the afternoon, you can do it early morning, and you can do it 12 midnight. Yes. In the afternoon, that is 12 noon, and you can do it very early in the morning. Yes. Before the sun gets to the center, you can also do it. But when the sun is just in the middle like this, don't do it. So, and then at midnight, you can also do it. You just try and deny yourself of sleep for till 12 midnight. Once it is 12 midnight, you just carry this, your solution, and then add it to your bathing water. Then you say your intention. What do you want concerning that marriage? What do you want concerning that relationship? Do you want him to propose? Do you want him to marry you? Do you want her to marry you? Yes, now. It's not only women. Let me do mine for you. It's not only women that are looking forward to propose, even men too. Yes. So say your prayer. Say it the way you want it. Say what you want to see. And once you say it, you will get exactly what you said. But if you are praying amiss, it will not work. I have said it before. If you don't have faith in you that this thing will work, it will not work. Let me tell you one thing that scares the devil is your faith. So your faith scares the hell out of your enemy. But if you don't have faith, you cannot move anything. But Jesus said, when you have faith, you can say to this mountain, be thou cast into the sea, be thou removed from here and cast there, it will be. But if you don't have faith, you cannot move a pin. Yes, but if you have faith, you can move mountain. So guys, let's try this. This is very, very effective. Look at it, it's very mild. This is not diabolical. This is natural. And yet it works. People begin to wonder, why does he love her so much? Why does he love her so much? Why does she love him so much? They will not know that she's praying. Yes. So if your partner is doing anyhow, you can go and pray. It's not fighting. You cannot fight somebody to love you. You cannot force somebody to love you. But you can pray gently and meekly, and God will touch his or her heart to love you. Okay? So see you in our next video. Thank you. Bye.